Oh, hello, Paxton. What a wonderful surprise it is to see you today. I'm so happy you used my portable North Pole console to reach out to us. Come, let me show you something very few people get to see. Paxton, welcome to the test area of our secret workshop, where all the toys you can dream of are made, and where wishes come true. It's important to make sure the presents are working well and are ready to be distributed to children all over the world. My elf Vivia actually wanted to show something special she crafted just for you. I see that you're 3 years old, aren't you? And you were playing outside that day. Great! So, are you ready to look at some toys? They are about to test the racetrack. How lucky we are! Oh, here are the names of the ones you love. It seems my elves knew you'd be calling and have placed some surprises for us to find. Look, this is where you live, in Pennsylvania. I know sometimes it can be very snowy there. Oh, look, Paxton. I see you won too. You have a new baby sister. That is indeed something to celebrate. My elf Luno would now like to test one of these toys with the help of your information on this chip. Paxton. Now, click on the toy you would like to test. The camera or the video console. Which toy would you like to choose? Great choice. You had so much fun that day. Oh, would you look at that? A stuffed animal. I know how much you like it. There are plenty of surprises. There's some serious stuff going on here. Inata is doing a checkup. Paxton, thanks to the affection of your grandmother, this teddy's heart is full of love. I know that with her, you really like to cuddle. And once all the tests are done, and each and every toy is working properly, all gifts are wrapped before getting loaded on my sleigh for delivery. Including what you want this Christmas, like a certain electronic gadget. Paxton, there's another area of the workshop that you need to see. Come with me.
Your time in the North Pole is not over yet.
Paxton, we have one last thing to do together before you leave. Look at this. The Inventioneer elves improved this funny old machine, so we can find out if you're on my nice list. I know you've been asked to try your best to always listen to your parents. And now the machine will let us know how good you've been this year. Well, it seems you're on my nice list. That is truly excellent. I knew you could do it. Mrs. Claus, the elves, and I are all very glad you've been so good this year. Everyone here is proud of you.
My dear boy, congratulations.
We look forward to another visit from you. It was a pleasure having you with us. Merry Christmas!